is Seth, the nature boy. I had been out here with 3 weeks, living off of grub worms and earthworms. I need to find another worm, grub or earth. I think I will look for a grub that has more protein and will keep me running longer. I'm going to climb this tree. I'm climbing this tree to look for a grub worm. Oh gosh. I'm in the tree and climbing highest to the thickest branch, looking for loose bark to peel open to look for a grub worm inside. I need a grub to survive. If I can't find a grub, I will have to search for a earthworm. Oh goodness, I'm about to fall. If I fall, I am 20 feet high at my calculations. If I fall, I will probably die. Oh, and it's not looking so good for me right now. Oh gosh, oh no, I'm falling. Oh no, oh gosh. Oh no. Oh. I'm searching for a grub worm. Can't find anything right now. Now I'm looking for an earthworm. Oh, I found a big and juicy one. You see that worm? Come on, worm. He's trying to get away, but I need to eat it to survive. It's a pretty thick one. It'll give me about as much protein as a baby grub worm. Alright, I will have to eat this. It may be very disgusting, but I will. Oh no. Oh gosh. Savvy. Oh. I need to keep on going and eat the other half. Here he goes. Oh, that was a very good worm. Not much flavor. Those grub worms have a lot of juices inside them. That's why they have so much protein. I'm searching for snakes, but I haven't seen any today. There was a big tropical storm last night, and I haven't seen any. I'm looking in the driest places for anacondas, boa constrictors. I seemed to have more energy after I ate the worm. It had a lot of protein, it seemed to be. I need to look for another one though. Here seems to be a good spot for a worm. And was I right? I'm looking. Oh, I found one. I found a little one. The little one will be good. There are a lot of worms after the tropical storm because when the rain comes, it washes them all to the lowest part of the ground. I'm going to have to eat this. Very nutritional. Very good. Sickening though. It will keep me running for the rest of the day. I will have to find more tomorrow. But I need to find shelter for tonight. It's supposed to be very cold, and there might be a tornado coming, so I'm going to have very good shelter and hide from the storm. I hope I find shelter. Bye. See you next time on The Wild Boy.